What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the lower back seat on this 2001 BMW 325xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Grab under the front part of the seat and just pull up, just like that. And then you're going to go on the other side, do the same. Just like that. And you can twist this up and slide it forward. Oh, there is a little connector right here. Just remove that. And slide it up. All right, I'm just gonna slide this over here. Take the seat belts. I'm gonna pull the seat belts through. I'm going to angle this underneath in the back. Tuck some of that excess seat material in. It's gonna go underneath there. And then just push down on the front, just like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.